While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Flow of health. Let's begin. Gentle grounding. Stand or sit with your feet or seat firmly connected to the earth. Breathe deeply, feeling stability and calm spreading through your whole body. Rising flow. Inhale and lift your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale as you gently lower your arms, flowing with your breath and awakening your energy. Forward energy. Fold forward from the hips, letting your head and arms relax. Feel the gentle release in your back and legs as your breath flows naturally. Heart opening flow. Lift your chest and roll your shoulders back, opening the heart space. Breathe deeply and feel warmth spreading through your upper body. Expanding balance. Stand tall and extend your arms wide, grounding through your feet. Feel stability in your center as you open your chest and lengthen your body. Flowing triangle. From standing, open your arms wide and reach forward into a gentle side stretch. Let your movement flow smoothly as you switch sides with calm breath. Moon lift. From a forward bend, place one hand on the ground and lift your opposite leg back and up. Open your chest and balance with lightness. Sit tall and softly rotate your upper body to one side. Keep your spine long and breathe slowly. Supported bow. Lie on your stomach and gently bend your knees, reaching back to hold your ankles. Lift your chest slightly while keeping the movement light and supported. Open puppy stretch. Start on all fours and walk your hands forward, lowering your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips above your knees and relax your head and shoulders. Stand or sit tall, lengthen your spine, and take slow, deep breaths. Focus on steady inhalations and exhalations, feeling calm and centered. Seated stillness. Sit comfortably with a straight spine, hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and breathe naturally, feeling calm and centered. Peaceful rest. Lie comfortably on your back, arms relaxed by your sides. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths, allowing your body and mind